Sometimes people think to learn trading, like you want to have XYZ amount of experience. I wish I played with this and that. Oftentimes, like not having like terrible habits and a lot of emotional scars from trying to trade and then screwing them up and vice versa. Sometimes starting fresh is like really the best way to go. So like if you don't have a specific trading style and you're just clean slate, that's pretty awesome too. So let's talk about just day trading versus swing trading. So a lot of times, like people get stuck into a mentality like I have to trade XYZ because I think that's the best. And that's not really the case. There's like not any evidence that day traders make more than swing traders make more than day traders when we're talking about a certain size of an account. But a lot of your success when it comes to trading is figuring out a trading style that actually fits what you're trying to do. What I mean by that is that when you're looking at this and you're trying to trade, all right, when you're trying to trade, if you do something that goes against your personality and your goals, then oftentimes you're going to screw up the trades because it makes you uncomfortable. So when you're looking at day trading versus swing trading and choosing that right trading style, you have to understand what each one is and then really figure out what fits my personality, what fits like my lifestyle, what fits my work, my family situation, like how much time can I really put into this? And then more importantly, like really where like my inherent talent lies. And it is true that people just have certain areas that they gravitate towards, right? Naturally. It doesn't mean that's where you end up at the end, but like even in the beginning, right? You'll have certain things that just make sense to you. And in the beginning, if you're trying to make money, right, it is always a good idea to start where your aptitude is showing. So what is day trading? It's buying and selling stocks in the same trading day, right? You do got to be in front of the computer, minimum 9 a.m. on weekdays. Most of the time, you're talking much earlier than that. You got to give yourself some time to prepare in the morning. Some of the best day traders I know, they're waking up and getting to work at 6, 7, a.m. On the weekdays. I typically by 8 a.m., I'm on the computer, like I'm getting to work. And I don't do it too much earlier than that unless it's earnings season. It does require, I would say, day trading out of all things. It requires a heavier amount of mental capital, meaning like day trading is just a little bit tougher than swing trading. And the reason is this, like, for example, day trading and swing trading, the analysis is the same. So like when you're looking at charts essentially on something. So when you're looking at charts on something, whether you're looking at something on a longer term time frame or shorter term time frame, analysis is essentially the same. You're looking for patterns, you're looking for setups, you're looking for risk management, targets, so on and so forth. So whether you're looking at 5-minute chart, 10-minute chart, or a daily chart, like the analysis is the same. So day trading is just harder because, well, frankly, you have to have the ability to make decisions a lot faster because the process is the same. Like, hey, when I'm looking at a swing trade, I may have the ability to look at something for days before I have to choose a trigger. When I'm day trading, I have to look at something for sometimes seconds to maybe minutes before I pull the trigger. So the process of figuring out what to do is the same, but one is just a lot faster. Day trading is best for traders who like to be cash liquid every single evening. It's best for people also that want to pursue trading full time. What I mean by that is like if you're trying to trade full time, but you're of the mentality like you need to actually make money every day or every week and you need to see paychecks, then day trading is the best for you. Like, for example, if you're swing trading or investing, you can't really count on a weekly income, right? Because sometimes your plays will take weeks to months to play out. When you're day trading, this is like a zero-sum game for me when I'm day trading. At the end of the day, I look, hey, I made some money. I did make some money. And that doesn't mean I had a good or bad day. The money is like something that's an afterthought beyond making good trades. But, man, day trading is awesome because at the end of the day, you do get to make a choice. Hey, I made XYZ money. Let me see what I did right, what I did wrong. Swing trading is buying stocks and holding for 2 days to a few weeks. You don't always need to be at a computer. I think that's the good thing about swing trading is you don't always need to be at the computer. So like if you have a job, like I have a lot of students that are doctors, lawyers, engineers, teachers, firefighters. I got 2 firefighter students this year. They can't always be at the computer, right? Like day trading, like how I day trade, right? Where you're wheeling and dealing, you're wheeling and dealing all day. They may not work for them. They actually have jobs that they like. They have jobs that they may want to do. Even if they don't like them, they have to do them, right? So swing trading works best for those type of people because you don't always have to be at the computer, but you can also set up alerts, stop losses, and orders to carry on with your day. I think that in general, swing trading requires less, I wouldn't say less smarts because the smartest people I've ever met and the most famous traders really in the world are swing traders, but it does require a certain different personality, meaning swing trading is a lot about getting organized, building lists, and then just watching. Day trading is about action, proaction versus reaction. I've always found swing trading to be just an incredible amount easier to do than day trading because the process is the same. But now the returns are quite different too, right? You can just turn your money so much in day trading versus swing trading that, like for me, I've always made a lot more money day trading than swing trading. Swing trading is best for traders who want to trade larger moves, but take less trades. So like if you're looking at like any type of trade, whether you're in cryptocurrency stocks, right? What day trading is, you're taking 2-3% over and over and over, where swing trading, you might just hold for the whole move. I think that comes into play. Like it's an important thing, an important part of trading is really understanding that there's not one that's another. One will just net you the 20%, but you might lose. The other one, you might have small losses, but you might take small gains 10, 15 times while it's making that 20% move.